Hi everybody. Now today we are going to be making slime. So what you're going to need is a bucket, some Tide, glue, and a mixing tool. So I decided to get a butter knife because I use the spoon for the other slime that I was making. So let's move on to the video. So first, I'm going to put the glue in first. So let's put the glue in first. So take the cap off of the glue. Can't open it. Oh man, wait a second. I can't show you guys right now. Oops. Wait a second. I'll tell you guys when I open it. Finally. Now I got my glue opened. Make sure you got the cap. Now you got your bucket. Now you want to get this and put it in there. I know you guys can't see right now, but I'm just going to do that. I want to pour all of it in. I'm just having some slow time putting all this in. So wait a second, a couple more minutes. I know you guys are getting bored right now, so I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna get you guys whenever I'm finished, and I get all the glue out. Bye. Wait a second. Now, finally. So I'm gonna kind of mix it, but you all don't have to mix it. It's just I like mixing my glue whenever I'm getting ready to start to put the Tide in or make the slime, the whole thing slime. So I'm gonna mix the glue. Then I'm gonna put my Tide in. Now you just need. You see this cup up here on the Tide? You're going to open it. So I'm going to open it. I opened it and it looks like this. It's laundry detergent, for real. It's really laundry detergent. I can't leave it down because it really will spill out. Now what I'm going to do is put some in there. Like that much. And then I'm going to put a little bit in first. Then I'm going to mix it. You see how it's turning like that? See how it's like that? I just want it bigger, so I'm just gonna leave this in here for a second, and then I'm going to mix all of it on. Now I'm gonna get some more Tide and put it more all around. I accidentally put too much, but yeah. So that's why it looked kind of like little guts. Not really for real, but it looks like guts to me. And I didn't know what I was doing at first when I first tried to make this. And I was just thinking, what should I make with how to make slime? And I was thinking, so I should try to make it with dish soap, which is Tide or Gain, and glue. So I did it. Then I figured out that it really looks like guts to me. But then I was trying to mix it up. Then guess what? It turned into slime. But yeah. So I'm just gonna mix this all up. It's kind of sticky, but your guys might not be sticky for real. Oh my God, it's so sticky. Whenever I'm finished, oh my God, I'll just move the bucket for a second so I can have room by mixing it. Oh, okay. You might want to put it back in the bucket and then put more Tide in it. So I'm gonna put a little bit more Tide. Yeah, there. And then I'm gonna mix it up with my hands, not a spoon. Yeah, and it makes it more liquider and not just sticky. I like my slime sticky, but if it sticks to my hair for real, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna make it like that. I'm just gonna put more Tide. And if your slime is so sticky that your slime never turns into like slime that isn't sticky, I suggest you put more Tide in it, so it won't just be so sticky after all. So yeah, I'm going to keep mixing this up. I'm gonna move my bucket. I just put it on the floor. So, and then I see that it is turning to slime. And it's not really that sticky like it was the first time. See that it stretches. But some of you guys put toilet paper in your slime. I suggest not to put in this slime, but it can work. It's just, I don't think it's really going to be really cute. I suggest if you want, because people put it on it. You guys put only just maybe shaving cream to put in your slime so you can make it stretchier and puffier. But you can put it by making it fluffy with shaving cream or toilet paper. But I'm not going to show you guys that today. But yeah, I finally made some slime with showing you guys. So I'm going to put this away, and then I'm going to ask you guys about this video. It really is fun to play with. Thank you. So I'm going to put this up, and then I'm going to come back. So be back. Okay, so now I am back. But I still have a little bit of slime on my hands. So I was trying to wash it off, but it worked. But when I was trying to play with the slime again, it just got on my hands. But yeah, hands are right here. It has a little tiny bit of stuff on it. And yeah. So make sure you guys subscribe to my video. Please, please, please subscribe to my video. And thank you for liking my video. And yeah, I would love if you guys liked my video. So thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye.